Hi, my name is Colleen Manley, and this is my staff training on prompt hierarchy. What is a prompt? Research suggests that developing efficient and effective procedures for teaching students with autism and other developmental delays is fundamental to advancing applied behavior analysis as a field. Prompts are a common tool used in applied behavior analysis. Prompts are supplementary antecedent stimuli used to associate a correct response in the presence of a natural stimuli that will eventually control the behavior. Prompts can be given before or during the presence of a behavior. What is the prompt hierarchy? The goal is for the learner to gain independence. By using the prompting hierarchy, learners develop skills that will allow for them to be able to complete tasks correctly with minimal to no assistance. Research suggests that prompts should be faded so that the response is occasioned by a natural cue. Prompting hierarchy allows for stimuli control to be transferred from the prompt to a natural occurring stimuli. Here you will see a visual of the prompt hierarchy. Starting off with the full physical prompt. The full physical prompt means that you are physically moving the learner's hand or their body to complete a task correctly. This includes hand over hand or hand under hand prompting. An example of a full physical prompt would be the instructor having their hand on the learner's hand and guiding the learner to write letters. This could also include the learner brushing their teeth. The instructor would stand behind the learner and hold their hand while they brush their teeth and complete each step of the process. Partial physical prompt is the next, and this means that you are minimally touching the learner as they complete a task. An example of a partial prompt could be the instructor giving the demand, touch the green circle. This would be followed by the instructor touching the learner's shoulder as a prompt or a cue to complete the task. Modeling is the next step, and this would be involving showing the student the correct response. For modeling, the instructor will complete the task correctly first while the learner watches. This would be followed by the learner completing the task on their own afterwards. An example of a model would be the instructor clapping their hands, followed by the learner clapping their hands. Gestural is the next, and gestural prompting means that the instructor provides a type of gesture or movement that shows the learner what to do. An example of a gestural prompt would be the instructor pointing at a picture. This would be the learner saying, "Where is the pig?" pointing at the picture of the pig, and the learner pointing at the pig or responding appropriately. Verbal prompt involves the instructor providing some type of verbal language directed towards the learner in an effort for the learner to provide the correct response. An example would be the instructor saying, "This is a dog. What is it?" The learner would respond, "This is a dog." Visual prompt is the next one, and this includes some type of cue for the learner to see as a visual aid for them to complete a task correctly. An example of a visual prompt would be a visual schedule. A visual schedule could be steps of getting dressed, it could be brushing your teeth, making your bed. There are a ton of different visual schedules that can be used as a prompt. Here are my references. I have the Cooper book, I have some articles, and I also have a citation for my visual. I hope you enjoy this presentation, and please reach out if you have any questions or concerns or anything you think that I should know or be aware of. Thank you.